So I lost a bet. Tough break.
Oh, I won, bro.
2 out of 3.
That means we're swapping roles, buddy. I get to go out onto the baseball field and coach a bunch of little kids, and I can't wait to see how you make out as an equipment manager.
Que desastre. This has to be the world's stinkiest sock. Lysol laundry sanitizer? It says here it kills 99.9% of odor-causing bacteria in laundry. This must be a secret weapon. Everything smells so fresh.
Little kids? Little monsters. Looks fresh in here.
I gotta tell you, I can get used to this gig.
Hey, don't get any ideas. I love my job. Your job stinks. How do you do it?
I told you, those kids are tough.
Why is Kevin so mean?